Makofi kwa mheshimiwa rais wetu tafadhalini. Ongeza. Ongeza. Makofi. Your Excellency, allow us now to conclude with the invitation of the Apostolic Nuncio and our chair, and finally to listen to our new bishop. May I take this moment to invite our chairman of the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops from a very, very, very brief message, where we invite also the Apostolic Nuncio for a brief message, and finally a brief message from the new bishop. Naomba tuvumilie kidogo, tungoje sauti ya askofu mpya. Karibu askofu ndugu yangu.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, and your Deputy Professor Kithure Kindiki, our beloved Governor of Embu, Madam Cecil Mbarire, our retired President Uhuru Kenyatta, our former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, elected leaders, national level and county level, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen who have joined us today, thank you very much for coming. Your Excellency, the Apostolic Nuncio, Your Eminence, John Cardinal Njue, Your Graces, Your Lordships, Superiors, General, Major Superiors here present, the proxies of the various bishops, Reverend Fathers, religious men and women, and my dear faithful. On behalf of the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops, and on my own behalf, we want to welcome into the community of bishops, the conference, our new bishop, Peter Kimani Ndungu. Your Lordship, most welcome to the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops. And as it is usually my duty, I want to hand over to you the statutes of the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops and the other regulations governing our secretariat and our running of the Catholic Church in the country. Your Lordship, please welcome and receive the statutes of the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops and the bylaws of our secretariat. Karibu sana. Most welcome. Thank you. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, we have